Permutation. So example of permutation. In how many ways can five boys and four girls be seated in a row? So we are talking about the arrangement of an object. So in this case, we are talking about the arrangement of students, five boys and five girls. So in how many ways can be seated in a row? So to identify that, we just have to consider if there is no specific rule or extra rule with regards to the problem, you just have to identify the number of boys and the number of girls. So ang kailangan mo lang naman, i-identify kung ilang ways pwedeng paupuin yung 5 boys and 5 girls. Yun lang. So first, you have to get the total number of boys, which is 5. And then the total number of girls, which is 4. And that would be 9. So to get the number of ways they can be seated in a row, we just have to make it 9 factorial. So 9 factorial is 362,880. So that is the number of ways can 5 boys and 4 girls be seated in a row. So if you like some proof, for example, gawin natin mas maliit na number of boys. For example, you have 1 boy and 1 girl. So in how many ways can 1 boy and 1 girl be seated in a row? It can be boy, girl, and then girl, boy. So that is the only, these are the only ways that they can be seated in a row. So that is 2. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 factorial is 2. So paano gawin natin 2 boys and 1 girl? So pwedeng si B1, B2, and G1. Pwedeng si B1, G1, B2 by listing, systematic listing. Next ay pwede namang si B2, then B1, G1, B2, G1, B1. Or it can be G1, B1, B2, G1, B2, B1. Meron pa bang possible? Wala na. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways na ihilera yung dalawang lalaki at isang babae. So that would be 2 plus 1, and that is 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 6. Okay, so if we apply it na higher value or sa mas maraming number of boys and girls, so automatically, hindi lang siya basta exponentially tumataas. So mas malaking percentage na itinataas niya, alam mo nang dadagdagan yung item or yung object. So kanina, that is only 5 and 4, so umabot tayo ng 300,000 plus. Next, number 2. What if we have certain condition aside from the given? In how many ways can 5 boys and 4 girls be seated in a row if the girls are always seated together? So you just have to identify the problem. Kailangan mo isipin maigi kung paano ang gagawin mo. So kailangan daw laging magkakatabi ang mga babae. So si boys, yung mga boys natin, pwede silang magkakahiwalay. Basta kailangan yung mga girls ay laging magkakatabi. So if we have boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5, and then we have G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. So kailangan yung girls ay G4 lang pala. Kailangan yung girls laging magkakatabi. So lagyan mo na lang siya ng circle. So hindi pwedeng mag-hiwa-hiwala yung mga to. So pwedeng makount mo sila as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 factorial. Yung magiging arrangement ng mga to, that would be 6 factorial. Kasi hindi pwedeng mag-hiwa-hiwala ito. Kaya lang, yung mga babae, pwede rin silang magbago ng arrangement. pwedeng G2, G3, G4, G1. Kaya kukunin mo rin yung factorial nito. 1, 2, 3, 4. So since they are 4, so you have to get 4 factorial. So you have to multiply it to the total number ng arrangement. So 6 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial, 4 factorial, then that would be 6 times 4. 17,280. So it means this is the number of ways can 5 boys and 4 girls be seated in a row, provided that girls are seated together. So marami pa kami na encounter sa permutation, but the only technique is to identify very well the problem.